Hi, we are part of the Vayansh Motors. So we started this startup around 2 years back. So from there we have some sketches and thought of like putting those sketches as to be a product. From there, what you see this product is, so it's a glass fiber body with fire resistant features, and inside that you have a metal frame. So it will be more safer during the crash and all. It will be rollover, even on the rollover sides. I mean, it will be more safer than the vehicles you are seeing nearby. Apart from that, I mean, the drivability range, what we have is around 180 to 200 kilometer on this vehicle. You will get around 55 kilometers speed, which is the standard norms from the government. The driver seat is adjustable. I mean, according to your leg space, you can adjust. If you see on the back side, so there is a ample amount of space. After you have a sitting posture, you can put two big luggage bags at the back as well. And if you see the color options, what we will be having, so right now it's the sunset orange what we have. Probably in the production part we will go for white as well as the metallic grey. If I'll compare it with the other vehicles, you go with Mahindra, Trio, Piaggio. Piaggio also have the vehicles. Other brands also came. So you see the range around 130 to 150 kilometers only. So here what we promising around 180 kilometers of range. Also the battery chemistry probably will be finalizing, but yeah, it will be either lithium or it will be graphene based battery, which is completely new in the industry. These things what we have discussed, so we done around 5,000 surveys with the drivers, and based on this, whatever the points they mentioned to us, we almost covers all of them. So on part of the dealership actually, so what I said, probably 6 months down the line we'll start with the sales. First segment we'll start with 3 states in the north. Then we'll go to towards the central as well as the south side of the, where like in Bombay, whole Mumbai as well as Nagpur, Gujarat, what we will cover. Third phase would be is the Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, the states in the southern section that we will be covering. So based on the dealership, also we have few like dealers who contacted us from the other brands who are interested in taking the dealership from all over the country. That's how I have the details for now. Probably based on the look of the product, you can have more futuristic things. Thank you.